Welcome back. So now we are going to discuss horizontal and vertical spacing. So here we have the one, let's say, word here, and we have another word here. So we call them text1 and text2. And we would like to have spaces between them for 2 centimeters. For having 2 centimeters between them, we can simply use edge space 2 centimeter here and then the text2. If we want 1 centimeter, we simply change it and it becomes closer. If you would like to have one word on the beginning of the line, in the beginning of the line, and one word at the end of the line, you can use the edge fill. So here, if I make it wider, you see that the text1 is on the other side of the line, and on the same line, text2 is on the other side of the line as well. So here you can see it as well. So if you would like to have spacing vertically now, let me comment the first two so it would be easier to understand. So if we would like to have some vertical spaces, so if I, for example, have these two, let me just adjust it. So normally when you don't have the much space, they look like this. And if you have more spaces, they look like this. So you see that you can use it like 2 centimeters. Usually VSpace is used when you have a figure, for example, and you would like to start the next paragraph with a bit of space. So you simply use VSpace to access to start the next paragraph with a bit of space, depending on what you want. And you can adjust it, of course. And finally, we have the V space here. So it is going to start from the text1 from where it is possible and putting the text2 at the end of the page. So it is providing the maximum vertical spaces between two words, for example, or two sentences or two paragraphs, whatever, in the same page. So it is going to increase the space between them to the maximum at the same page, as long as they're at the same page, and so they are vertically now far from each other. So this is basically how we're going to have vertical and horizontal spacing. Thank you.